Hello everyone. Some people use veneer peeling machine to peel big diameter wood, the veneer bending up. What's the reason for this? Today we will analyze. It can be roughly divided into the following situations. 1. Knife is too high. 2. Knife slope is short. 3. The knife gap is too big. 4. Single roller is too big. 5. Some wood is extremely hard. How do we deal with these problems? 1. Lower the height of the knife. 2. Knife slope is sharpened longer. 3. The second rail downside higher a little, make the knife gap smaller. 4. Adjustment single and double roller height. Up single roller, make the roller height less, pressure bigger. 5. Some wood is extremely hard and cannot be solved. Just replace the wood. Not all wood can be peeling. Welcome everyone to comment and exchange idea.